Hi everyone, and welcome to the Motion Beast Level Up webinar series. My name is Yaroslav Kononov, and I'm the founder of this beautiful modern motion design school. We have a lot of students, like 200,000, and top authors in the motion design industry, like Marcus Magnusson, Ben Marriott. You can also learn from them. And I'm also the author of the most famous course, Motion Beast. That's why our webinar called Motion Beast. But this course was created in like 6 years ago in 2016. Can you imagine? And a lot of things changed. So I will be glad to migrate you to the new journey, the new part of your motion design career. Because today I will introduce this legendary tool that will change the way you animate forever. Yeah, literally. So let me show you this like animation. I did it like 30 minutes, I think. So the thing is, as you can see, the legs is the custom bands, right? And before that it was not achievable at all. So this tool will give you the possibility to make a custom limbs. Let me quickly show you how it's working. So hold on. Yeah, so usually you working like with the stroke limbs, like you're using rubber hose, Duick, limber, and so on. But let me quickly show you something. Ooh, look at this. So yeah guys, this is something new actually happening here. So how it's working in with the help of this tool, we making like craft artistic animation is combined with this technical expression things. So I think we should start immediately, right? So let me quickly, also I want to show you the body, for example, how I made the body. The same situation. Okay, so as you can see, the body is also rigged with this crazy tool. Okay, also these wings made with pass band, so it's not like usual band like effect. It's literally like new shape modifier. Can you imagine? Okay, so let's go to original. And the first thing that we will do, we will make the custom limb for this leg. So how we can do this? So let's do this solo. I will go inside this leg. Also make sure you downloaded this project file. Please find it in the email, okay? Or we'll include also the link in the description. Okay, so I go to the pass. Make Command T or Control T if you're on Windows. I will make like that. Boom. Okay, so I need to make this custom limb that will bend like this. Some interesting stuff. So let me quickly explain you how the other scripts doing it. So usually it's working like that. So you have the limb, 2 points, and you have the bend position and stretch position, right? And you usually add some elements, stylize your limb, but it's very limited when it comes to artistic animations. For example, you want to add something when it bent, you want to add additional elements, you know, like closes or something like that, and it's not possible with this kind of tools. So that's why crazy shapes will change the way you work with animation. So let me quickly show you how it's working. So for example, we have the pass. You can click pass keys, it will generate one key. You can actually do it manually, but we just made these buttons to make your life a little bit easier. And you can click rig keys. So right now we can have only, for example, 2 keys. We need the bend position and stretch the normal position. So let's work with the first one. Okay, I'll try to make this bend effect manually. So how I should do it? Something like this. And okay, see, I need additional points. Great. And now you just make your artistic look, so it will take some time, but it deserves it. So we align everything to make sure. I will add another point here. And we need to make it a little bit closer. Cool. So, what do you think, guys? Let me see. Yeah, maybe we can make like this. You see the it's not very good right now, so let's move these points a little bit closer. So we do like manual bend. Much better. Amazing. So now let's just make them, oh sorry, so choose the point, hold Alt and click on the button. Okay, the same, choose the one point, click on it. Nice. Great. So now we need to adjust our pass. Amazing. I will try to make it like real close to each other. Okay. Amazing. Yeah. Almost done. So you see some really artistic touch happening here. But trust me, you'll spend a little bit of time to make it like looks great, and you'll be happy at the rest of your day, you know. Amazing, almost done. So let's see the animation. Cool. So maybe a little bit here. I will add another point. Okay. Great. So now you can see that at this part something weird happening. So it's always because you can see at the beginning you can see these tangents, right? But at the end we don't have them. So we need to add them. So here, click on the point, hold Alt, and click on each point. So it will generate the tangents. And adjust it everywhere. Okay, much better, much better. But still, I see some issues here. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, so as you can see at the end we have this point, so we need to move it closer because this point is here. So you see our animation became a little bit, not even little bit, much better, much better. Okay, and of course I forgot to add these tangents. Okay, hold Alt, click, and you see it became much smoother. Amazing. Cool. So actually we done. So you can make like a lot of more adjustments. For example, you can even add some another strokes elements that show like how it's squashing, you know. But for now it's good. I like it. Maybe I add some additional element here to make it smoother. Great. So now the fun part. How to make it, how to rig it. We have 2 points. Maybe we can add some additional points to make sure we have everything is perfect. Okay, like that. So you can make actually a lot of adjustment, a lot of keyframes, and so on. So once you're done, go to the normal position, go to the rigs and click plus. It will generate you 2 points, so adjust them on your leg, then choose one of them, click on the leg and click slide rig. Okay, if you have more points, it's also normal. Okay, so what we can see right now, it's already working, but we need to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so let's go to the stretched position and you can see lengths in. So find the right way, maybe here, make it again. Amazing. And let's do the stretched position. I think it's somewhere here. A little bit closer. Amazing. So now we made adjustments and we have our custom limp. Congratulations, guys. So I already can like end the webinar because you can understand that possibilities is unlimited now. Yeah, but let's continue. So now we have the leg from our beautiful animal. So let's keep it for now. I will delete second leg and we will move forward with the body. So as you can see in the example, body stretches like a gum, and actually it's working like that, you see. So I made the same situation. So let's go to the original animation, click on the body, go to the extra, click on the pass keys and click rig keys. On your keyboard, if you click U, it will automatically open the place where you have the keyframes. Amazing. So as usually, let's remove these two keys. We need this like 5 keys we need for the LAN rig, and I will explain it later how it's working. So let's stick to the 3 keys, okay? So in this case, I will make 3 positions. Like the first one will be bend, second one is normal, and the last one will be stretch. So if it goes to the top, you can see it in this animation. So for example, if I stretch, it stretches. Cool. So let's do it. I go to the pass and I'm immediately making, choose the pass and let's start. I need to add some point here, maybe like that. Amazing. Great. Let's choose these points also. Make it look perfect. Let's see. I think I need to do more bend here. Amazing. And also I want to do something here, some little changes. Nice, I like it. And we have this part. We also should align it a little bit. Okay. Boom. Look at this. Okay. So now we have this position for bend, and I need another one for the stretch. So for the stretch, I simply make like this, and we need to adjust it here. Remember the principles of animations. You should always think about the proportion. If it stretches to the top, it will like if it squash to the top, it should stretch from the sides. I hope I said it correctly. So actually something like this will work. What do you think? And maybe like this, and I want to make this thing here. Click V on your keyboard. In that case, you can choose the points, not only one. And let's align here. Okay. And this highlight. Cool. Ooh. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, guys, so if you are an illustrator, that's like the huge bonus for you, because you can make these different positions and so on, and it will look really artistic, you know. So it's like the best thing that happened in my life, for example. Yeah, but if you're not illustrator, you will probably spend a little bit more time to make this perfect position for stretches and bends. And it's not only limited for stretches, you know, you can do 3D rotations and so on. So yeah, so let's make the same thing. We have normal position, and let's click plus. Now we will align like that. Okay, so click on the layer and one tracker and click slider rig. Amazing. So now we should make the adjustment the same we did before. Cool. And let's go to the top. So over here, little bit down. Boom. Amazing. Like a bubble gum. Maybe a little bit more. Ooh. So beautiful. You're so beautiful. No matter what they say. Okay. We have the body, and I congratulate you with that. Amazing. So now, as I said, I will show you another trick, because you are wondering what is the LAN rig. So let's keep it for the future. We already have the leg that it works like a charm. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. Okay. And let's go to the neck itself. So you have the beautiful neck here. Okay. So let's click the same extra, pass keys, rig keys, and we will leave this 5 keys. So for what? Like automatically we always generate in 5 keys, because this thing give you a lot more possibilities. So this thing is you can morph different types of bands, so you can make a lot of artistic bands, right? So let me just quickly show you. So for example, first one, it's already the stretch, right? So let me make the normal version from it. Oh, you know, I think I need to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I will delete this, and in this pass I just need one fill effect. Okay. Let's move it underneath. Great, so let's do it real quick. So it will be the normal position. Okay. This thing. Be here. Cool. Let me adjust it a little bit more. So it seems something like this will work. So as you can see, it's already generating some interesting effect with the stroke, but let's quickly adjust it. So it's starting here, and we need to make it, okay, we need to move it together with the dot, with this dot. So like this. Yeah, here. Amazing. Let's already generate some additional effects. Cool. So it will be stretch bending like that. Maybe I will make it a little bit more like that. Choose the points. Great. Amazing. And for the rest of the keys, I will not do the stretch for now. I will do something else. So that one. So if you, so also here the last one will be the same, but this band I want to change it to something else, right? So maybe let's think a little bit what it can be. I will do some another artistic version, so maybe it will bend something like this. What do you think, guys? Looks interesting, right? Some interesting bend. Cool. Let me adjust it a little bit more. Okay. Amazing. So the fun part is starting right now. Something very interesting. Okay. So let's go to the normal position. Don't forget to make Command S, always safe, and click plus. It's already seems in the right place, but we need to make the black dot underneath. Amazing. And click, for now, click LAN rig. And let's see what's happening. Let's adjust it the same. Yes. And here. Amazing. Hold on. Yeah, so here we have normal. Great. Great, it's working. And as you can see, if we move our dot forward, we can extend. Let's see. Okay. So we made our band. And now I want to morph this band with the ones that we already made. So let's go to the technical, to the to the neck itself, and you can see morph type morph into. So it means first will morph to second, and this is the morph from 0 to 100. And as you can see, I make it 100. It morphed to another one. And the thing is that you can add as much as you want. So it can be 10 of different morphs, and it will give you the possibility to always change something to make it more artistic. But the thing is, it's a little bit slow, so be careful. If you have this task, so use it, but for now I better to stick to slider rig. So for me, I can easily, you know, just duplicate the slider rigs and make another artistic bands and just replace them. But if you have a good machine, you can use LAN rig. Okay, so for now I will just delete it, because I like when my workflow is very fast. So let me delete it. You see some expression errors, so you can easily fix it. Just click on off, and all expressions will be deleted. Okay, so now I have this rig, and that's, maybe I'll use this one, I don't know. Actually like this one. Okay, so what I will do, since I like the fast workflow, I will just adjust this one a little bit. So I like this. Okay, this is the bend, this is the stretch. I will make it more interesting. Don't forget to add tangents. Yes, the same here. Tangents. Nice. And you know, also the thing that is really important. So for example, if you have the point here, so for example, let's make some helping elements. I'll just animate it. So it seems this part should be somewhere here. So we'll make another adjustment. Click on the keys, click Command T. It will help you to make like this and adjust it a little bit. Okay. Amazing. And I'll also move these elements here. So I can make another help element. So I can know where is my like limp. So right now I see that I need to adjust it a little bit more, right? Okay. Amazing. And maybe something like this. And also tangents Forgot to add here. Yeah, so we're done with the artistic band. Probably should spend more time on this, but I want to move forward. So where's our neck? Amazing. Click on the plus, adjust it like that, and click slider rig. Adjust it. Great. Mm-hmm. It seems I made a little bit too much. Okay. Now it's working. And now the interesting part. We should combine everything together, right? So let's do it. Okay. So what we have right now, let's see. Okay, we have the body, we have the legs. So neck, body, and the legs are rigged. Amazing. So let's make the rest. I will adjust the legs, make it on the center somewhere. Okay, the neck. Amazing. Head with the head. Somewhere here. Okay, I forgot the pupils, so let's parent our pupils to the head. Also head to the head. Okay, and our head will be parented to this point. Okay, amazing. Let's adjust our head. You see it's already too high, so maybe a little bit here is better. Okay, something like that. Amazing. Now our neck should be parented to the body, and let's see. So body this point, so neck parent to end part 2. Amazing. So now if we animating the body, neck will be animating with it. Cool. And the wings. Wings. Wings we will remain like that. Great. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we should animate the all parts. So for example, let's do it like 3 seconds or maybe even 1 second long. Okay, and let's start from the body. Let's take this tracker, go to position, and let's make 12 keyframes. Okay. And the one keyframe on the middle, we made it on the top, but maybe let's make it a little bit more. Copy these keyframes, place it at the end. Great. Choose all keyframes and make the easing like function F9 or F9 if you're on Windows. And it's already great. We can also play with the position. I mean, like that, like that. So a little bit of rotation here. But you know what? Let's keep it. Let's keep it like that. We will add rotation additionally here. Okay. Cool. So we have the animation on the body. Also, let's make the loop. Hold Alt on the position, click Property, Loop Out. We have the loop. Amazing. Now let's move to the neck. Go to position. The same technique, 3 keyframes. Amazing. And this one will be, sorry, oh, not the neck itself. Sorry, some difficulties. Okay, where's the neck? We need to animate this parameter. Okay. Position. And we move down this keyframe. And that's all. F9. And also loop out. Property, loop out. Amazing. Great. I also want to move it, not this one. So go to this trigger and little bit to the top. Amazing. Cool. Okay. Nice. Also see the pupils already animated. It's very good. But let's keep it for later. Okay, so what else? the legs. So let's quickly jump to the legs. We'll animate it very easy. So what we need this tracker. Let me also adjust it a little bit. See, it's not like that. Perfect. So what we're gonna do now, let's move the leg to the left, click on position, the one on the center, and let's move it here. Amazing. Great. And let's make the arc. Great, so in that case it makes the step. Okay, and the third keyframe, we will just move it back. But as you can see, there are some bends, so click on the pen tool and just remove them. It should be straight. Actually, you can also click on the first keyframe and copy paste. Let's see. So it should be the same. So the beginning should be the same. Okay, Command C, Command V. Amazing, and just adjust it. So it should be like that. Let's see. Amazing. Great. So we will keep the normal keyframes without easings, and let's make the same loop out. Property loop out. Amazing. Great. So now we just need to duplicate the leg. Maybe. Okay, so choose these keyframes, sorry, layers, and click on this one. It will duplicate the leg. So let's go and just I forgot to adjust this last keyframe, so let's adjust them. Great. And let's just move the second ones that we duplicated like that. In that case, we made amazing walk cycle. Woo! Cool. Yeah, as you can see, we need to make some adjustments. For example, I don't like how it looks here, so at the end this leg should be a little bit here, but you know, okay, yeah, let's do it. So let's move it back, let's go to this and little bit down, two of them. Okay, this will be better. I see what's happening. I need this leg a little bit here. So the first keyframe, copy it, Command V, the same last one, the same last one. Amazing. I see again some arcs happening here. We don't need them. Adjust. Great. Cool. Yeah, much better. Yeah, so we still can have some adjustment, but let's keep it for now. Okay, so let's see all the layers together. Cool. So what we're gonna do now? Now we need to connect our legs to the body. Let's do it. So how we can do it? Let's see. So if we go to the legs, I see I also duplicated some additional points. We don't need them. Okay, let's see. So now we have this black point, so we need to connect them to the body. And let's quickly do it. Not actually to the body, because the body have this also black point, and we need to connect to this black point of the body. Okay, where is it? It's start P12. So let's connect them. Boom. And the thing is, automatically our red points are connected to the black points, so we need to unparent them. Okay, cool. So let's see if we go on to the body. Let's animate this black point. Yeah, it's working. So I'll just a little bit like that, so until our legs start bending. Okay, great. And I still make some body movement. Okay, F9. Great. Wow. Maybe even more. Great. So now we need to add a loop. Property loop out. Amazing. And I also see some things that need to be changed. So for example, our legs should be a little bit on the left, but let's keep it for now. Cool. And let's see everything together. Okay. Something happened with the neck for some reason. I think I connected the knot right. Yeah. You see, I made a mistake. I connected the neck, but I shouldn't make like that. Neck is always stay without any adjustment. So we need to connect the black point to this one. Okay. And part 2. So boom, now it's perfect. Okay. Oh, I connected to again to not to the right one. So end part 2. Okay. Boom. Yeah. Done. Amazing. Very good. Very good. Okay, so let me quickly adjust the legs because they are a little bit go not in the right place. So how to do it? Actually, we should connect again and part 2 and this one. Just for now. Okay. And then unconnect. Disconnect. Cool. Great. So what else? Now we need to make everything like to make some offsets, my favorite part. So what we have? Body, and let's start from this one. So we have a loop. Let's make like that, and let's see some. Wow, already something really cool happening. So I just make a little, just one offset, and it's already like very fluid and amazing. Super. So let's also connect the wings to our start part 1, 2. Boom. And let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The same, I like the head, so let's make some rotation also. Let's go 10. Amazing. 10 is good. Ooh. And maybe here -10. -10. F9 and loop out. Property loop out. You see, I made a mistake. Loop out duration. Not make these mistakes, please. It's the most common one. So just loop out. Okay. Wow. And if we make a little adjustment here, so something like this, it's already like a snake or something, right? Let's find. Let's find out. Oh yeah, I like this one. Cool. So what else? Wings. With the wings is also my favorite one. So how I proceed with them? I will use pass bend effect. It's like a shape modifier, like regular shape modifiers, but we made a custom one. Custom bend. Boom. Okay, let's see. Amazing. So to make it a perfect loop, we need to look at bend speed, seconds, maybe. So if we have 1 second, so it should be 1, I guess. Yes. Amazing. Let's go to the bend itself and maybe bend frequency. Wow, too much. Maybe 2 is good. Whoa, look at this. Some magic happening. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's like something unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is crazy. Okay, okay. And another one, guys, my favorite, pupils. Let's animate the pupils. So for example, I will move them to the top. Then I'll move them here. Then here. And let's move them back. Back to the roots. I'll stretch them a little bit. F9. And let's make the easing like that. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is the pass stretch. Let's do it. Wow. Wow. But you see, for some reason, oh no, it's working. It's working everywhere. But you know, guys, if it's not worked, sometimes it's happening. So make sure to go to the extra and make reset shape. Then sometimes all of these things, sometimes they don't working because shape has their own like transform properties, position, coordinates. So to make it perfect, like click reset shapes if it's not working only. Okay, so let's move it back. You see, it's automatic stretch for you guys, just like that. And if you want to add more stretches, so make sure to make this adjustment. 93. Oh my god, I already made a lot of them. Wow, crazy. So the same thing with the band. For example, I like this head, but it can be much better. So let's do pass band, and you can see that some strange things started to happen. Yeah, but don't worry, just make pass array to 0. And also make sure that your anchor point is in the right place, like this. But you know, actually, okay, let's do it again. Pass band 0. Oh, I know what's happening. Because it's parented, it's not working properly. Yeah, so better do not use the band here, okay? Cool. So what else? What else? The next one I want to show you is the waves on pass. So imagine, for example, let's add some additional element to our animal. So I'll leave the neck. So for example, something like that. Some ribbon. Let's connect it to the neck. Good. And we want to make the waves, for example, right? And maybe somewhere also some additional elements like that. I don't know. Something like that. And we want to make a perfect waves, you know. So how to do it? Okay, so first of all, click on the layer and click waves on path. So it automatically, for now I will remove. So it's automatically added these waves on path, but let's go to the wave itself and let's adjust it a little bit. So frequency, I don't like it, maybe 300s, and wave form, let's make it symmetric. Amazing. And I wanted to go another direction, speed -1. Cool. Maybe even faster, -0. Cool, not too much. Yeah, perfect. Also, you can see this like number of the points. It's the points that added automatically. So actually waves on path, it's like another shape modifier also, but the custom one. And let's just make round corners a little bit, like 6, and it will be smooth. Okay, maybe even 7. And the thing is, let's put it back. For example, I want to make a limit here, so I don't want the waves like start here, because it shouldn't be like that, right? So I want to make a limit here. So, and we have this possibility. So if we go to the limiter, I will go to the start, no, end. So offset, hold on. So as you can see, we made the limiter, so now nothing happening here. So like, let's make 100. Cool. And we just need to make the offset. Let's find it. Yeah. Cool. Amazing. And wave speed 0.5. Amazing. Wow. Cool. And I will connect it to the neck. Amazing. And another one, as I said, we, for example, we want to add some additional elements. Like, I don't know. Like some circle. And you also can do it. We have this possibility, go to the extra and click on this button. It will generate the null object for you. So, for example, I want to add this element here, so I just parent it, make it in the right position, and it will be working. You see? Let's make it underneath our wings. So guys, I think we're done. So like, it was really fun. It's a lot of other things that we should discover with this crazy shapes. So for now, like, it's the basic workflow that you can have. And thank you so much, and we will see you the next time. Bye bye.